Service in Springfield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for South Central Webster County, Northwestern Douglas County, Christian County, until 6:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles south of Thornton, or 14 miles northwest of Ava, moving southwest at 10 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Following impacts are expected. Hail damage to roofs.
The National Weather Service in Springfield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for South Central Webster County, Northwestern Douglas County, Northeastern Christian County, until 6:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles south of Portland, or 14 miles northwest of Ava, moving southwest at 10 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Sparta, Oldfield, Chadwick, Elkhead, Good Hope, Bruner, Keltner, Dogwood. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Missouri: Christian, Douglas, and Webster.
Pella Windows and Doors. Our showroom is located at